Go to your Gmail and click on settings. Click on see all settings. Under general, scroll down, and here you will find the signature option. To add or create a new signature, click on create new. Now add a name for the signature. Click on create. And now we have to make the signature here. You can write here your name first of all. Then hit enter. And then you can write your position. And then you can write your phone number. You can write your address. And now you can select any text. Then you can change the text font. You can also make the text large. You can make the text bold from here. You can make your text italic, underline, and you can change your text color as well. And you can also add a link to your signature. So you can just add your website link, then select the link and click on link. And then go ahead and paste here your site link. Click on apply. And now if you want to add an image or logo to your signature, you can just click on this image icon. And here we can see total 2 different options to insert an image. One is by using the image web address or URL, and another is Google Drive. So let's select Google Drive option here. And I'm selecting upload and clicking on browse. And now from my PC, I'm just selecting my logo. This one, for example, let's upload the logo. And here we can see the logo added. Now you can select your logo and you can resize your logo just like this. You can change the logo position as well. Let's add here a enter. Okay, now it's look perfect. Now scroll down and click on save changes and your signature will save. Now on, you can click on compose, and to add your signature, click this insert signature icon. And now select the signature which one you want to insert. And we can see the signature inserted. And now if you want to automatically add your signature when you create a new mail, then go to settings, all settings. In here, scroll down and come to signature section. Under signature section, here you'll find signature defaults section. So for new emails use, select the signature, which signature you want to use whenever you compose a new mail. And on reply forward use, you can select the signature. And we can see insert signature before query text in replies and remove the dash line that presets it. So you can enable or disable these options from here. Now click on save changes. And now on, whenever you compose a new mail, your selected signature will automatically insert just like this. Thanks for watching.